Hello, I thought I'd talk to you today about live captions. This is an easy setting to put on when you're in a meeting, and it will produce some captions across the bottom of the screen as people talk, identifying who is saying what. Let me just show you how we do that. To turn on captions, click on the three little dots, More Actions, on your meeting menu, and then go down to Turn on Live Captions. As you can see, there are now live captions appearing as I speak. Let me show you what this looks like in a meeting where you've got more people speaking.
I can actually see who is speaking.
This is especially helpful when someone is presenting and you can't see the person talking.
Well, I hope that was helpful, and you perhaps let me know how you get on with it. My contact details will follow.